the nuts?
I thought Kat was supposed to be studying.
Yeah, and she's supposed to have red hair, and she's not supposed to be handcuffed to that.
Ukadesh, bekle bak feliz de ku.
What did he say?
I think he said, Ukadish Valet pa Falik de Coup.
That doesn't help us.
No, it does not.
Cat! Cat! Yo, wake up, Cat! Whoa, whoa, easy, be gentle.
Hey, where'd your motorcycle go?
Oh, it's right over. Cat! My God! Where's my motorcycle? Where is my motorcycle?
Sam! I must have fallen asleep. So, how are the fights?
They were so fun. We got there early, so I bought a popcorn and died.
Not now!
Oh. Hey, what's going on?
Well, first, your hair is blue.
Blue!
And you're handcuffed to a small, angry foreign man.
Kande dalmelo katutase.
Hey, don't you cuss in front of Miss Cat.
Spish.
Where is my motorcycle?
I don't know. I was just studying and I...
Hey! Why is the pond twang bottle empty?
I drank it.
All of it?
Yeah. And you said it was supposed to keep me focused and alert.
Yeah, but you're just supposed to add a teaspoon of this stuff to a glass of water.
Well, I didn't see that in the directions.
Did you read the directions?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, the label says do not take more than 1 teaspoon per day, or you may experience extreme loss of memory, followed by unconsciousness and loose stools.
This stool isn't loose at all.